Hello and welcome back to Fixin' It. Today we're going to change the engine oil on my wife's 2010 Honda Pilot. Okay, this is everything we need to change the oil. You're obviously going to need the oil. 520 full synthetic, that's what I use. You don't have to, you could use regular oil. Okay, about 5 quarts. You're going to need an oil filter. I use Mobile One. Okay. You're going to need a wrench to take the drain plug off. This is a 17 millimeter. You're going to need also a wrench to take the filter off, and this is just a socket and a ratchet. You're going to need a drain pan, a couple of ramps, something to lay on, a piece of cardboard, and also some paper towels to clean up some of the mess. Okay, let's do this. Okay, we drove this up on the ramps. We're going to get in underneath here and show you what to look for. Okay. This is the oil drain plug right here. Okay. Right next to it, that's your oil filter. Okay. Simple. Okay. Just throw a wrench on it and just try to bang that out. Okay. Put your drain pan underneath. Get this off. Okay, this is what you need, the paper towel. Okay, we drained the oil, we'll put the plug back in. Now we're going to take this filter off with our wrench. Okay, just put that on there and just once it's loose, you can just do it by hand. Make sure your oil pan is underneath. It's gonna drip. Okay, before you put the filter on, you want to lubricate that seal on top. Okay, so just get some oil and just put some around this. Okay. Okay, we're gonna put a filter on. Okay. Well, the filter only gets put on hand tight, okay? As tight as you could get it by hand, but that's it. You don't use the wrench on it. Okay, so we pop the hood. I'm gonna go to the front here. You're gonna see your dipstick, oil dipstick. And right next to that, you're gonna have your cap for your fill, okay, oil fill. That other dipstick right there, that's for the transmission. So you take this off, okay, and all you gotta do is put a funnel to it, and you're ready to fill it, okay? Okay guys, we put in 4.5 quarts. That's what the owner's manual calls for. We drove it off the ramps, and now we're gonna check the fluid level, okay? And when you do that, you take out your dipstick, you clean it, and you reinsert it. And that's it. Then you take it out and check the level. The level should be between these two marks, okay? As you can see, it's like up to the top. Okay, you don't want to overfill it. That wouldn't be good, okay? So I hope this helped you out. Like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later. Take care.